Hello everybody, I'm going to a car wash today. This will be at Raceway Classic Car Wash, I think is the name of it, I'm not sure. Here on Warner Road in Chandler. I just got the car vacuumed, I'm gonna go get it washed now. They're probably gonna have to come help me, so I'm gonna have to stop the video. Okay. I'm gonna stop it here so I can purchase my wash. Alright, I got the $20 car wash, which is the best exterior package you could get here. What the heck is this guy doing? You can go. There you go. He deserves to be filmed for cutting in front of me like that. Please wait for a wash attendant. Alright, I gotta stop it here again. Yep, Raceway Express Car Wash.
Oh.
Yes?
What's going on? You taping your experience going through here?
Yeah.
Heck yeah, that's pretty cool. That's a pit kit. That's to wipe it down. It's a microfiber dash wipe and then air freshener.
Alright, thank you.
Okay, don't lose your receipt.
Okay.
Because you got a free $20 wash. You come back within 2 weeks again.
Oh, nice.
You have it?
Yeah, I put it in my wallet.
And you'll scan it at the machine.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Here we go. I know many people in the car wash community will love this video. I think this is a Sonny's, but I'm not exactly sure. I think it is. You all tell me what you think this is. Cool, so in 2 weeks I can come back and get the same wash again. That's really cool. Alright, thank you all for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. And there it is back there. It's a Sonny's. And that will be it.